Why?
So I can have it. So that when we have these su'als, I can study before I come to the meeting. All right. We start.
Bashayr. Say Bashayr.
Bashaya. See, she's always leaving and coming back.
She said the sound is not clear, so she leave and come.
Okay. All right. We start, girls. We start. We try and do as many as we can. Okay. So according to my notes, you have a horizontal ellipses and you have a vertical ellipses. Sir? You agree?
Yes.
Horizontal is this one. Sir? This one is
Yeah.
horizontal. Okay? This one here. How do I know? Because it goes longer on the x-axis. So this one is horizontal. And this one is vertical. Okay? And you can clearly see it's longer on east and west or left and right. And this one is longer on north and south or up and down. So, okay. Now, you know that the ellipses has a major axis and a minor axis. Okay? Now, when it is horizontal, we also agree that these are the vertices. If it is horizontal, these are the vertices and these are the co-vertices. So, and if it is vertical, these are the vertices and these are the co-vertices. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And the kanun for horizontal is this one, sir? And the kanun for vertical is this one. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
So you should know the kanun, you should know the orientation, you should know the foci. Okay? And you should know how to find the length of the major axis. And you should know how to find the length of the major axis, of the minor axis. Okay? As you can see, you are darbing 2 darb A. And here, 2 darb B. Same thing here, 2 darb A, 2 darb B. Okay? Now, what is A? A is the distance from where?
From
From the two vertices?
No, from the
no,
vertex.
to center. Like radius.
Not to the center, no. Here is A, see? Here is A.
Where are you?
Here.
Oh, okay.
A is from the core vertex. If it is horizontal, it's from the core vertex to this.
Okay.
What is this F?
Okay.
Oh, yes. Vertex.
What is this F?
Foci.
F is foci, yes?
Foci, yes.
So A is the, now remember this is Pythagorean theorem, sir?
Yeah.
If you know this and you know this,
Yes.
you can find A using Pythagoras theorem. But if you know this point and you know this point, you can use distance formula. Are we together?
What was the distance formula?
Yes.
The distance
D
formula, you learned it in
equals
circles. D equals square root x1 minus x2 squared plus
y1?
yes,
y1 minus y2 square.
yes, plus y1 minus y2. What is happening? Okay, I guess we are not learning today. I guess that's what this means. Okay, let me write it down here. Distance formula equals square root x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
Okay. Or you can use, so this is for finding A. You want to find A? Find A. You can use distance formula or you can use Pythagoras theorem.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we continue. Now, you know the canoons, yes?
Yes.
So A is from
Yeah.
co-vertex. If it is horizontal, A is co-vertex to foci. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. And how do I find B
Yeah.
if it is horizontal?
Cover
B,
okay.
B is just the co-vertex. Okay?
Kef.
V is the curve vertex, not from the curve vertex to the center.
No. The co-vertex. See? 0B. You see it over here?
0B, yes. And
0B.
then, yes, also
Because
vertex is
But now
A.
my question is this the B I want? Or which one is the A I want?
The positive one?
length.
Because I'm seeing A over here.
Yeah.
What is the A I'm looking for?
C.
No, I don't want C.
Teacher,
Is
allowed
this the A I want, or is this the A I want? Which is the A I'm looking for?
The
Because
distance
now
one.
that changes Kanun.
How will I know which A I want?
Very good.
From the question? From the how they
Okay,
ask the question?
Let me read. Wait.
Teacher, can you accept a rim
Okay.
or make it open?
No,
I
just keep
don't
it
know how
open.
to make it not open. Wait. I need to share my screen. We are reading down here in the Kitab, okay? In the Kitab over here, it says, in the Kitab over here, it says, there are several important relationships among many parts of the ellipse. The length of the major axis is 2a units, which equals the sum of the distances from the foci to any point on the ellipse. Okay, what does that mean? The length of the major axis. Let me read. Let me read. The length of the major axis is 2a units, which equals the sum of the distances from the foci to any point on the ellipse. So I need to add this to here, which will be the same as this to here, sir? Which will be the same as this to here. But this is not the foci.
Yes, this
Anyway,
is not the foci.
we will see when we go to the equation.
Any point
Okay.
if you, from the ellipse, it is all equal.
I
All
agree.
equal to 2a.
No, the sum. See, it says the sum. That means you need to be adding. It says here the sum. It's just not, doesn't say just take any distance. Okay. The values of
Ask
A,
me
B, and
the
C.
question, we will know.
Don't worry, we will see in the example. The values of A, B, and C are related to the Pythagoras theorem. So, the distance from the focus to either co-vertex is A units. I agree. See here? The A we are talking about is this. From here to here. That's the A we want.
Yeah, not the A with the focal point.
Yes.
Or like
okay. All right.
Yes.
Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay, now we are here. So in this example, we were told to write the equation of the ellipse. So now we notice that our equation is, our ellipse is vertical. Okay. Up to there, now the foci are equidistant from the center. Okay, and the center here is 0, 0. The center will not always be 0, 0, but in this all the center is 0, 0. Now find the value of A. So we have how many vertices? There is a vertex at 0, 9 here. This is the vertex. Okay? Vertex 1, 0, 9. Remember in our picture we say the vertex for vertical is up and down. Those are the vertices. And the co-vertices are left and right. Remember that. So now
صح.
vertex is 0, negative 9, which is here. So co-vertex 1 is negative 4, looks like negative 4, 0. So co-vertex 1 is negative 4, comma 0. And then co-vertex 2 is 4, 0, which is here. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, now we want to find the length of the major axis. Okay, now the length of the major axis is the distance from here to here. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so distance from V1 to V2. I don't need to calculate. I can count. How many boxes from 9 to 0? 9. How many boxes from 0 to 9? 9. I mean, from 0 to negative 9 is 9 boxes. All together is 18. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
But if I forget, I can use distance formula. D
Mm.
equals square root x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. This will give me 9 minus,
No, teacher, 0.
0 minus 0 squared plus
Yes.
9 minus negative 9 squared square root. So this will give me 0 plus 18 square root. I mean 18 squared. 18 squared, square root of it is just 18. I don't even need to do it on the calculator. So this is who? Major axis. Is that clear?
Why they do 18 divided by 2? How they calculate it in the book?
My friend, we are finding major axis. Give me 1 second. Manar, I'm teaching you. So focus.
Okay.
This is the distance of the major axis. Are we together? Now you will use this rakam to give you A. A is distance of major axis taksim ithnena. Are we together? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now you will do 18 taksim ithnena. That will give you tisa. Are we together?
Yes.
That is A. Now you need A squared. A squared will be 9 squared, which will give you 81. So
Yeah.
these are very important parts that we are doing. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we want to find B. We will use who? Pythagoras
أيوة.
theorem. So,
Yes.
okay. So we want to find B. Find B by using Pythagoras. So you're going to do B equals the square root of C squared minus A squared. We are good up to here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how do we find B? I mean, how do we find C? Because we know A. A is how much? Tisa. So minus 9
C is the
squared.
bouquet.
Yes. Now, we want to find C. Okay. How do I find C? The foci are 7 units from the center. So, and how did I know that?
0,
How do I know the foci is 7 units from the center?
0, 7. It translates 7 units up.
Huh? From where?
In the picture.
How in the picture? Explain to me.
0, 7. The y-intercept. No, not
No?
y-intercept. The point on the y-axis.
The point
And
on the
the
y-axis
A
is
2A.
0,9.
0,9 is the
Oh,
A.
here. Oh, it is given in the picture. Good.
Yeah.
Here is the foci. Do you see that in the picture? Thank you, Manar. Here. Okay? So that's how I know this is 7 squared. But my 7 squared, why is it more? Oh, this is A. Okay.
Teacher, we should do this distance formula for A, or we can choose only, yani we know that A is the vertices, so we know A equal 9, so the 9 because
Only if it is on it's on the y-axis. You can only do that if the ellipse moves this way, then it will change. You have to use distance formula.
yeah, so we can do yani only if we have the center as 0 0, we can use A equal 9
Yes.
square, right?
Yes. Class, let's continue this way because this was not making sense. All right. Why are we minusing? C squared is not A squared minus B squared. This is Kanun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's continue. We use this Kanun, okay?
Okay.
You don't put the nagas. I mean, you don't put the Zaid, you put nagas over here. Okay? All right. Our C squared is who? The foci squared. And then who is our A? Our 9 squared. So, minus B squared. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Where will I continue? I don't have space. I will continue over. I'll continue over
Miss,
here.
did you finish example 1?
No, we are still in example 1. We're in step
Okay,
3 now. Yes,
because I
we are in
left and
step
then
3.
Okay.
All right. 7 squared becomes 49. And 9 squared becomes 81 minus B squared. I want B. So that means I need to move 81. I will subtract 81 on both sides. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, what will I get?
32.
I'll get here negative what?
32.
Negative 32 equals to negative B squared. I will taksim by negative 1, negative 1. So 32 equals to B squared. Are we together?
Yes.
That is us here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Now, what does the Kanun say? What's the Kanun for the ellipse when it is vertical? Y squared over
A square
A squared plus
plus x square over b square equal 1.
B squared equal 1. Okay, now the Y and the X stay. Y and X stay. So
Yeah.
A squared is who?
81.
I put it over here, 81. Come B squared?
32.
32. I put it over there. Equal 1.
1.
And this is my answer. This is my answer right here, which matches this one here. Do you see that?
Yes.
All right, can we do this? You want us to do guided practice or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
All right, did you take screenshot? Because I need to erase all this.
حدا يبقى ياخذ سكرين شوت.
لا خلاص.
I erase?
Yes, completeness.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let me erase it. Now you have to tell me the steps, so I see if you understood or not, okay? And I will try and write little so that we follow the steps in order. We have 4 steps, so we will divide our workspace into 4, okay?
Miss, can we always find the C or the A using distance formula
Yes, you can find,
if the points are different?
yes, if the points are different. All right, so we're going to divide this into 4 parts. All right. Part 1. What's part 1? Find who?
B.
I disagree. Part 1, find who?
If it's horizontal or vertical?
Okay, that is good. Apart from that, okay, yes, determine if ellipse is vertical or horizontal. Okay, after that, so part 1 has 2 parts, part 1A and then part 1B. What is part 1B?
To find B.
Find the center.
Oh, yes.
Find the center. Now we know that our center will be at 0, 0 because everything here is 0, 0. Do you see that? And we know this is going
Yes.
to be horizontal because your vertices are on the x-axis. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so we know that this will be horizontal. That's how I know. Part B, find the center. But we already know the center will be, okay, part B, find the center. All right, now we've agreed our answer here is horizontal. How do we know? Because my points are on the x-axis. You have negative 4, 0, and you have 4, 0. These are on the
4 is
x-axis.
not change.
Sorry?
Because 4 is not change, so it is horizontal, right?
No, because they are on
Oh,
the x-axis.
yeah.
These
Okay.
ones were on the y-axis. See, when your rakam starts, when your point starts with 0, y-axis. When your point starts with rakam and 0, x-axis. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. And we know our center is going to be 0, 0 because everybody has 0, 0. Everyone here has 0. So center is the origin. Center is the origin. And what does that mean? 0, 0. Why? Because all my points are on, all my points have 0 on the y-axis, okay? On the y coordinate. Are we together up to there?
Yes.
Okay, now we want to do part 2, sir?
Yeah.
All right, what is part 2?
Find A and B and C.
No, we don't need C. Why are you including C in our work?
I don't know.
Murphy C here. Is there C?
Yeah. But
Where?
they give us the vocay is 2, 0, 2 and negative 2. So it is C.
Huh?
And the so we have teacher we have the because they said us vertices is 4 and negative 4, so it is 4.
Okay, I agree, but wait, take me slowly. Part 2, find who?
B.
Find,
B square.
no, find A and then find B. Please, take me slowly. Find A and then B. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, we know that our vertices are who? Negative 4, 0. Fatma Hamad. Negative 4 and
4, 0.
4, 0. So our A is who?
4.
What's the distance from -4 to 4? That should be 8.
units.
A equals to 8. Did you agree or no? How do I know? I put here -4, I put here 0, and I put here 4. The distance from here to here is arba. The distance from here to here is another arba. All together, the distance is who? 8. That's how I got 8. Are we together?
The final A.
That is the value of A.
Teacher,
This
I
is
disagree
A.
with. I disagree
This
with
is
you.
A.
Because teacher, in the first page they said for us the A is the vertices, and here they give us the vertices is -4 and 4. So the A is a 4, not -8. Okay, so here they take the 9. So 9 divide 9
I
square.
mean, yeah, we have to do the A is, yes, I agree with you. Now, the distance from here to here is 8. So now we need to find A. A equals 8 divided by 2, which is 4. I agree with you.
Yeah, now I
Okay?
understand. Yes.
Now we need to find A squared. A squared is who? 4 squared,
16.
which is what? 16. Up to here, we are good?
Yes.
All right. Now let's find B. How do I find B?
C square equal A square minus B square.
Okay, so find B is this point. All right, so this will be C squared equals to A squared minus B squared. Yalla.
Wait. 4. No, 2 square
Yes, the
equal
foci, 2
square
squared
equal 4 square
equal 4
minus
squared
3.
minus B squared.
8
4 equals
square
6.
equals 16 minus B square
Mm-hmm.
minus 16 minus 16.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 12 equal negative B square.
Mm-hmm.
B square equal 12 divided by a negative 1.
B squared equals to 12.
12.
So,
Yes.
okay.
Now
Now
write
write
the equation.
the equation. What's the equation?
X square yes, yeah, x square over a square y square over, okay, equal 1. X
Okay.
square over 16 plus y square over 12 equal 1.
Any question? Any question?
No.
Okay. We move. Sir?
Yes.
Any swal up to here?
No.
No.
No?
No.
Fine. I need this kanun to do the next swal. Okay. All right. I want this kanun. And I don't have a pencil near me. I have a pen. Okay. Standard form is what? X
Y.
minus h squared in
Oh,
parentheses.
that has a center. That they give us center.
Yes, when the center is no longer zeros. No, but yes, when the center is no longer 0, 0. Sir?
Yes.
Yes. Plus y minus k squared parentheses over b squared equals 1. Sir? And that is when it is horizontal. And then when it is vertical, you change your h and k. Okay? So it becomes y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1 when it is vertical. Okay? And then how do you get the foci when it is horizontal? Yalla, tell me how to get the foci.
H plus or minus CK.
Okay? That's when it is horizontal, yes? How do
Yes.
I get the foci when it is vertical?
HK plus or
H
minus
comma
C.
K plus or minus C, sir?
Yes.
Okay? How do I get the vertices when it is horizontal?
H plus or minus A, comma K.
H plus minus A, comma K is the vertices, when it is horizontal. When it is vertical,
H, comma K plus or minus A.
H, comma K plus or minus A. Very good.
Miss, I have a question.
Ask.
When do I plus or minus?
When do you plus or minus?
Yes.
When it
It says
is,
plus or minus. So when do I plus and when do I minus?
if you
Teacher
went,
Miss Moza said if
uh,
we have two number of x or y yani. So if the number, if we have big and small number, if we take the big number we plus, if we take the small number we minus.
I don't understand that. I don't understand. We take the big number.
صح teacher, we have, can you write 2 points
Okay.
like
Don't tell
negative
me. I will
2
write my own points. You don't tell me. Okay. My point is -6, 7.
and another point?
Okay. 4, 2.
Okay, we will see the x, right? So
Okay.
-6, if we take -6, we will minus. If we take 4, we will plus because 4 is greater than -6.
So if we take the smaller rakam, we subtract.
Yeah,
And if we take the bigger rakam, we add.
yeah.
Does it
Because,
depend at the bracket?
what do you mean it depends on the bracket? I don't understand this.
Like the sign for the number or
لا هي
Over here? What do you mean by the bracket? I don't understand this.
I don't know خلاص.
Okay.
If
Alright,
it is in the vertical, we will take the y. We will see the y and take the.
Alright, let's do the covertices. What is the covertex when it is horizontal?
H,
H.
comma
K.
k plus or minus b.
Okay.
If it is vertical, h plus or minus b, comma k.
Okay. Comma K. Right. I have written my canon down. Now let's look at this example. We can use this information to determine the equations for ellipses. The original ellipse is at the right. The original ellipse at the right is horizontal. This one here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. And has a major axis of 10 units. How do I know? How do I know my major axis is 10 units?
Maybe they give us
2 times A.
2 times A, yes? And how much is
But
A?
here,
5.
yes, we
How did
don't
I,
find
okay.
A. How
But here
did I
they
know
found
it's
A.
A?
How did I know my major axis? Where is the kanun for major axis?
Major axis 2 times A.
Okay, then how did I, because here they found A. Anyway, they calculated and they found the major axis was 10. I don't know, or
Yeah.
maybe from here to here is 10. Oh yeah, because Arba is here, so this should be Hamza. Do you see
Yeah.
that? Look, Arba is
Yes,
here.
yes.
Arba is here, so this should be Hamza.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so the distance from here to here should be 10. Is that clear? So 2A equals to 10. So Taksim Ithnena, A is Hamza. Up to there, we are good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how we got the 10 and the Hamza. The length of the minor arc is 6. So B, okay. So from here, this is Thalatha to here. Do you see that? Do you see that this is Thalatha because Arba is here? That's Arba, so this is Thalatha.
Yeah.
Okay? So the distance from here to here is Sita. So if the distance from here to here is Sita, this should be, so B will be 3 because you'll succeed it by Ithnena. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, because you have A is Hamsa and B is Thalatha, the ellipse is translated 4 units down. Okay, so you are moving from here to this center. So what happened? I went 4 units right, 5 units down. Do we agree?
How do you know?
Okay, I moved from this center to this center. Okay?
Okay. But
So,
how you know?
because this is the center here and this is the center here.
Yeah, I know. And they will give us this picture. No, we will draw it.
No, you will be given the information is coming from the picture. The information is not coming from your brain.
Oh, okay.
The
And they will
information
give
is,
us this picture, and we will solve. And we will
yes,
get information.
yes. So now, how did you move from this point to this point? You went to the right and then you went down. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So you went to the right 4 boxes and then you went down 5 boxes. Okay? So that's what you wrote here. The ellipse translated 4 units right, 5 units down. How did I know down? Because this is negative. And also using my eyes. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, so the value of H is 4 and the value of K is -5. Then you just put it in your calculator. Okay? Remember, this is horizontal. So this should be your B, yes? This should be your B and this should be, no, horizontal, this is your A, yes?
Yes.
Yes, your A and this is your B. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, how do you change the translation? Now you will write X. Because this is positive, inside the house it will be negative. Because this is negative, inside the house it will be positive. Are we together up to there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Any question up to that?
No.
Okay, I move on.
Move on.
Okay. All right, now we are here. So,
Yes.
an equation, these are the vertices. And these are the co-vertices. Tell me, horizontal or vertical? And how do you know?
Wait. Horizontal.
How do you know?
Horizontal.
How do you know?
Because here at vertices we have 6, and 6 is the constant on the x-axis, and so it is greater than -2. -2 is the y. So we
Okay,
know that.
I
Correct?
agree. When your x's are the same on the vertices, then that is horizontal. When your y's are the same on the vertices, then that is vertical. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's
Again,
make that
what you say?
kanun. Let's make
If
kanun.
the axes are the same?
Wait, horizontal x's are the same. X's are the same at the vertices. Okay?
But they said in the book, they said it is vertical, so the ellipse is vertical.
Where
The
in the
x
book they said
coordinate,
it's vertical?
the first sentence, the x coordinate is the same for both vertex, so ellipse is
Oh,
vertical.
yes. I'm the one who is. When your x's are the same at the vertices, this should be vertical. Vertical.
Wait, we can graph it, so we'll know. We will know.
Yes, you can also graph it to see. but we are just making a general kanun. If the x's are the same at the vertices, then you're vertical. If the y's are the same at the vertices, then you're horizontal. Are we together?
Wait.
Yes.
Oh. Can
Okay,
you graph
draw the
it?
picture. Draw the picture. Draw the picture. If this is not making sense, let's draw. The picture is better than making generalization. Draw the picture so you can see. This is y, this is x, this is so forth. All right. So 6, -8 will be here.
Yeah.
And 6, 4 will be here. Somewhere there. This is -8. This is theta. This is arba. Sa?
صح.
Okay. And it is the vertex. So you go like this. Sa?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the co-vertices is where?
On the
3, -2. 3, -2 is here. This is -2. This is -2. This is thalatha. The other co-vertex is where? 9, -2. Somewhere here. This is 9. Okay? Now,
Oh.
now you see?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay?
Mm.
This
So
distance is
it's
long.
vertical.
This distance is longer than this distance. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So this is my vertex. This is my co-vertex. And this is my vertex. Is that clear? Vertex, vertex, co-vertex, co-vertex. We are good up to here?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So we want equation, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we know the center is 6, -2. Or the vertex.
Yes, I agree. See, you get that from your picture. Center. 6, -2. Okay. Continue. Me, I'm not talking now. What is the length from V1 to V2? Come from 4 to 0. Come. Hello.
4.
From 4 to 0 is 4. And from 0 to -8 is how much?
8,
8. So altogether is how much?
12,
12. So this is 2a, sir? 2a is 12. Come A?
6.
6. Up to there we are good?
Yes.
There. See? That's what I did. Even without looking over there. Okay? All right. Let's find B. What's the distance from here to here? Hello?
What, teacher?
What's the distance from here to here?
6.
No, you're lying. It
6.
started at 3. Reem.
3,
3 to 6 is 3. What's the distance from here to here?
And 3.
3,
3. Altogether?
6.
6.
6.
What
So
do I say?
2b equals to 6. Taksim ithnena. B is how much?
3.
3.
3. That's what we did here. Or you just take the bigger rakam and you subtract the smaller rakam and taksim by 2. Okay?
9, 9, 3.
So if the center is not 0, 0, we will use the other
Yes.
equation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Or can teacher use
Yes.
midpoint?
Yes, you can use midpoint. That's what I agree. Midpoint formula. No, but midpoint formula. Mid distance, not midpoint formula. Mid distance.
Yeah.
Not
Oh,
midpoint
teacher,
formula.
look
Major and
here. Here they
Huh?
use y2 minus y1. So it will be 12. Then divide by 2. So yeah,
Yes, but that's not midpoint. Midpoint is both of them together. That's what midpoint
yeah.
is.
No, we
But
use
you're
point.
gonna use, yes, when you have the vertical, you use the X. When you have the horizontal, you use the Y.
Yeah.
Okay?
We use the change one. Yani that if the number change, we will use it.
Yes. When the center changes, don't say when the number changes.
Oh, look here, like 6 is the constant. So what is the change? Negative 8 and 4. So we will use this.
Yes, yes, I agree. Can we move on?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. I have found my A and my B, so I should square them, sir?
Yeah.
So A squared equals to 6 squared, which is equals to 36. B squared equals to 3 squared, which is equals to 9. We did that here. And you put it in the Kanun, sir?
Yeah.
Y minus 2. Here is your K. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. And X, here is your H. Okay.
Okay.
When your H is positive in the house, it is negative. When your rakam is negative in the house, it becomes positive. We are good or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Do question 2. Tell me if it is horizontal or vertical.
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Because
Mm,
the y are the same.
because the Y are the same. Very good. So, horizontal. All right. Draw your picture.
Okay, how can I, if I don't want to draw the picture, how
You
can
draw
I
the picture. Draw the picture so it helps you.
What if I don't want to draw the picture? Can I?
How are you going to do the work without the picture? I think the picture helps you more. How do you know which one is H and which one is K? So now this one is K. Are you saying this one is K and this one is H?
H, yes.
Okay. So if you don't want to draw the picture, then there. This one is your K and this one is your H when it is horizontal.
Is it always?
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what is your kanun for center when you have horizontal?
Midpoint also.
No, you don't change it this other way.
What?
Oh,
You don't
it will
do
be
the opposite of the vertical.
x minus
Negative
s
3
square.
minus 9 over 2.
Over
And
2.
another, so for y, 12 minus 4 over 2.
Okay. So you do that. Okay, my dear?
Okay.
Wait, miss, I didn't understand here the h and k. How do
Here
I
is
know if it's
here
h
is your
and k?
K.
Is it
Here. The Y is
for
the K.
vertical?
Yes, the Y is the
For
K.
vertical?
The vertical,
Okay.
this one is the X, here is the H. Okay? And the K is here. Remember, Y and K go together. Y and K go together. H goes with X. What did I do? This other way. X goes with H. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? And then you have to remember the kanun for major axis, minor axis, and the kanun for the equation when it is horizontal. Okay, my dears?
Okay.
Right. What else did I not finish?
Example 4.
Okay. We're here on example 4, completing the square. I think this is completing the square. So,
Yes.
okay. Find the coordinates of the center and foci and the length of the major arcs. Ooh. Find the coordinates of the center. Find the coordinates of the foci. Center, your answer will be like this. This is center because it's coordinates. You need two rakams. Foci, the same thing. We need two rakams, X and Y. X and Y. Okay? All right. Then what do they want? Find the length of the major and the minor arc. The length of major should be only one rakam, something units. And the length of minor arc, sir? Axis. Oh, I thought it was arc. Axis. 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 And here axis. Okay. All right. And this is your equation. Heba. Okay, let's start. So your equation is 25x squared plus 9y squared plus 250x minus 36y plus 436 equals to 0. Okay? Do I have any friends? Yes. This person needs to go and be with 0. Okay? How? I will nagas. 436 nagas 436. This becomes SOFR. My new equation becomes 25x squared plus 9y squared plus 250x minus 36y equals to negative 436. Sual.
No.
ما في سؤال.
Okay. Put friends together. X's are friends. Y's are friends. 25x squared plus 250x plus 9y squared minus 36y negative 436. Sual.
No.
La. Okay. Here, you should have 3 people. Wahed, Ithnena, Thalatha. Is that clear? Plus, you should also have, and you should have somebody here. The same thing here. You should have here Wahed, parentheses, Wahed, Ithnena. No, this cannot be plus because this is minus. What is Miss Lillian thinking? Here is minus because this is minus. This has to be minus. Okay. And the last person must be added. Are we together? Hello?
Yes.
And over here, you brought how many people? 2 people. You should bring 2 people on this side. Are we together?
Yeah.
If you brought 2 people here on the left, you should bring 2 people on this side. So you already had 436, huh? Now you need to bring the person for here and the person for here. You need to bring them here on this side. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, remember, ellipses, circles, parabola, all these people should be quadratic. So this should always be x squared. Lazim this be x squared. Lazim. This one will be y. So, half squared. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. So if I removed x squared, who is remaining?
25.
That one goes here. We are good? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then, and I removed it, so I should taksim. Taksim everybody by 25. Come to 50 taksim 25.
10.
10x, not just 10. 10x. Who did I remove?
9.
9. So I should taksim everybody by 9. What do I get here?
4.
Hey, say correctly.
-4.
La.
-4y.
Thank you. Any su'al? Any su'al? Any su'al? Remind me kanun I taught you today to get this. What's the kanun?
B over 2 square.
Very good. B taksim 2 squared. Who is our B?
10.
10.
10. What is 10 taksim 2?
5.
5.
And what is 5 squared?
25.
25.
25. That's how you got this rakam.
The teacher said for us, take 10 and divide it by 2.
هي
Then
هي تسوي
2,
بالقانون
put it
منى
in
انت عادي
inside the
سويها
bracket,
بالطريقة.
and 2 square, no, like 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? So 5, we will put it inside the bracket, and we do 5 square. 5 square we will, equal 25, so we will put it outside the bracket.
Okay.
She didn't teach us the قانون because she said that we should know it from before.
Yes. I told you
The
I should
lesson
teach
that
you
she
this
skipped.
in grade 10. You refused. But anyway, let's continue. How will I get this?
B over 2 square.
Mm-hmm.
So B 36 or 4.
Hey, what is our B?
4 over 2.
-4. Not
We
just
take the
4.
ishara.
Yes, lazim.
Okay. Over 2 is square 2 equal 4.
-2 squared equals 4. Up to here we are good?
Yes.
What are the numbers you added?
25 and 4.
25 and 4. Sir?
صح.
They should be in parentheses. I don't like my book today. Why I don't have space? Okay, I move it like this. All right. So the number that you, here we said we are adding, sir? And here we are adding, sir? Now, the number that you are adding should be in parentheses. So this is 25 and this is arba. Do we understand? This number and this number should be in parentheses on this side. We are good or not good?
Good.
All right. Now, how do I know what number to put outside my parentheses? You see this number that is outside the parentheses? And this number that is outside the parentheses, you put it here. So this will be 25 and this will be 9. We are good?
Yes.
Okay, we move on. Let me
But
change the color.
the teacher give us another way is easier.
Okay, tell me the other way that is easy.
She didn't give us all these steps. She told us, okay, here we stop at 25 bracket x square plus 10x close the bracket plus y bracket y square minus 4y, okay? We when we will use, we need the x. So what we will do, we take the 10 divided by 2 and the number that we get it squared. So when we get the 10 divided by 2 equal 5, so 5 we put it inside the bracket and we closed with x, so we squared, and it will be x plus 5 squared, and the number that we squared.
No, that's not my problem, Hanan. Manat, that's not my problem. How did she teach you to get this rakam? That's what I want to understand is how did she teach you to get this?
Yeah, I told you.
No, you did not. You were only explaining on this side.
Okay, the number that we squared, we put it. يعني with صح, we have common factor, we will put common factor time the number that we do it squared.
But that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, but you do it maybe in another way. يعني.
No. I'm explaining to you how you got this rakam.
Which one?
This rakam and this rakam, I'm explaining to you how you got it. And that's the rakam that will go over here. And this is your greatest common factor.
Yeah.
هي
So
تشرح
here,
بالتفصيل من
this is your greatest common factor over here. Here is your greatest common factor. Here you have 9, here you have 25.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have an equal, yes? On this side of the equal, we have negative 436. Come positive 25 plus darb 25. Come.
$189.
You're lying. 25 times 25 cannot be 189.
Negative 436 plus 2.
Answer my su'al. What is 25 darb 25?
625.
Thank you. Positive 625. And then what is 9 darb 4?
36.
Plus 36. Up to here we are good?
Yeah.
That's what these three rakams will be. Now do this. What do you get?
225.
225. We are here. Up to here we are good? That's where we are, or here.
Yes.
So now this 225 is now on this side. So 225. Yes. Now we want to write here. You had 25, yes? And you had 9. So what is 10 taksim 2?
5.
5. So this will be x plus 5 squared. What is negative 4 taksim 2? What is negative 4? Taksim 2. We are here.
$25 with 9.
You're not answering me. What is negative
Negative
4
2.
taksim 2?
Negative 2.
Negative 2 squared.
Yes.
Saula,
صح.
if you forget, you do that jadwal I taught you in grade 10. You put here your B, you put here your AC, and you find your rakam. And you have to do it 2 ways. You have to do for X and you have to do for Y. Do you understand?
Yes.
You do this part of the bracket. This part of the bracket is the one you do the jadwal for. You should come up with this number. You'll come here with 5 plus 5 darb 5. Sir? Because this was 10 and this was 25. What two numbers do you darb will give you 25, and when you add will give you 10? 5. Do you see that?
Yes.
And because your 5 is positive, it will go in the house x positive 5 squared. Then you do the next one. What two numbers when you darb will get negative 4? And when you darb, you'll get 4. And when you add, you'll get negative 4. That will be negative 2 darb negative 2. Negative 2 darb negative 2 will give you 4. -2 plus -2 will give you -4. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, so you should know more than one way. All right, up to here we are good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we want to write kanun. Okay, now we want to write kanun over here. So you take this and you take this, x plus 5 squared, and then plus y minus 2 squared, and the greatest common factor of each you switch. Here becomes 9, here becomes 25. And this should equal Wahed. We are good?
Yes.
Did you understand up to there?
Why 9, not 25?
25 goes here. You switch, you switch. You switch.
Why?
What do you mean by why? Huh? Okay, why do we switch? Okay, let me show you. I want you to remove, I don't want this rakam here.
Because this,
So we
because we will
wait,
divide by
wait.
225.
Yes, so Taksimia 25, Taksimia 25, Taksimia 25. Taksim here 9, Taksim here 9, Taksim here 9.
يعني
9 and 9 go away.
Yeah.
25 and 25 go away. Taksim this, what do you get?
24. 24. 1.
There you go.
And if I do in the calculator 9 divide by 25 divide by 9, it will give me 1 over 25. Okay, I understand.
Okay. All right. Up to there, we are good.
Yes.
All right. What is your center? What is your H?
-5, 2.
Hey, what is your center?
Center?
Oh, yes. So if it is positive, it will be negative, sir? I agree.
Yeah.
And if it is negative, it will be positive. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Everybody, do you agree? All right. How do I find foci? Because it said here, find the center and the foci. How do I find foci? What's kanun?
Foci is C. It is C, so you will C,
No,
C
I
squared
need two
equal
rakams.
A
Foci
squared.
cannot be C.
A squared minus B squared.
No, we will see. We have 2 points H and K.
Foci, this is horizontal or vertical? How do I know?
This is
Horizontal because it starts with X.
Where do you see it starts with
yes,
X?
horizontal.
La.
The equation.
it is
The equation did not start with X.
Plus 5.
It is vertical.
X plus 5 squared. Horizontal.
How do you know?
X. See, the
Because this
equation
is
that we
X?
wrote. X. Yes.
Nah,
No,
I don't
it's
think that tells
vertical.
us. No. How do I know my ellipse is vertical?
Because
Or,
we know A is the greater than B. So 25 is greater than 9. And 25 is the denominator of Y. So that is vertical.
okay. Yes.
I focus with
Rim.
Yes,
This is
yes,
what you
yes.
mean by starting. This is starting. Y equals. X equals. This is not
Yes.
starting. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Now, Manar, tell us again, how did we know this is vertical? Explain again.
we see the denominator. We
Okay.
know that A is greater than B, always. So 25 is greater than 9. So
Okay.
we know that is A is there. So we know that is the A is denominator of Y. so it is will be vertical. If it is denominator of x, it will be horizontal.
Reem, did you understand?
No.
No. Okay.
شوفي ريم،
Mm.
نحن صح نحن كتبنا الايكويشن صح؟ نحن عندنا x و y وعندنا a و b. نحن
Mhm.
نعرف انه الاليبس انه دايما ال a اكبر عن ال b، لانه ال b is co-vertex بيكون وال a بيكون الفيرتكسز. لحد الحين اوكي؟
ال A دايما تكون أكبر عن ال B.
هي لانه بالاليبس.
I disagree. This is not vertical. This is horizontal. Because
No,
in the
teacher, no.
Kanun, in the Kanun, it says x minus h over a squared.
This is the thing that I am saying.
Okay,
From
let's say it clearly so
what
I
I was-
understand what you're
But
saying.
teacher, if you see, they said for us graph the book in the next page, graph it, it's vertical.
On the next page, it graphed vertically.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, but the vertical Kanun says you start with y. And our equation over here is starting with x.
Okay, but is this teacher لأنه teacher this is ellipse, so A is always greater than B. Because we
Okay.
know that is A is the vertices and B is coverted.
Okay,
So B
I
is
agree.
coverted,
I agree.
So, it will be,
So if A is always greater than B in ellipse, sir?
yeah.
Okay. And here, this will be our A and this will be our B. That's what you say.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we know that is, we see now A has Y up, so it is in Y axis. Yeah,
Okay.
Y axis, so it is vertical.
Oh, yes. Aha, Rim, now listen, Rim, 5 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus, you agree? Yes?
Yes.
So now this is what Manar is saying. You look down here at the denominators. The bigger one will always be,
A.
and the smaller one will always be
B.
B. Now, because B is with X, sir, this will be
Sir.
vertical.
Okay.
And A is with Y. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Can we continue? What time is
Yes.
it? Ay, ay, ay.
6.
Oh, I still have 28 minutes. Okay. Now we know that the center is -5 and the K is 2. We agree?
Yeah.
If it is positive here, it becomes negative. Sa? Yes, no, sa, la. Okay. Now we want to find the length of I want foci. How do I find foci? Foci, when it is vertical, there was Kanun.
Oh.
H comma what? H comma K plus C.
Plus or minus C.
Yes, K plus or minus C. That will give me foci when it is vertical. So my H is what? -5, sir?
Sir.
My K is what? 2.
2.
Who is my C?
No, teacher, okay. We know
Two.
that is H, it will be constant. So we do قانون for K equal K plus or minus C. So okay, we will not, we know, wait, I forget. I
C
see this
squared
قانون, I tried
equals
it.
A squared minus B squared.
It will be
Come A.
A is 9.
I
3.
square.
3. Oh.
You
No,
forgot?
teacher.
Here.
Yeah, I understand. Look, but S we know that is the قانون over A square and B square.
Okay,
So
yes.
here,
So
yeah, only 25 minus 9.
only 25 and 9 squared. Yes, all right.
Mm-hmm.
So then what do I
That's
do?
16.
16,
24
yes?
16 square.
And then square root both sides will give us C. So,
Yeah.
Yes.
C is who?
4.
4. So what do I do? Do I add or subtract?
Where?
Add.
Here for C. Now what do I put here? Add or subtract?
Add.
Why?
Add.
Why?
Because it's a positive number.
I don't like that argument.
Maybe one time add, one time minus. Yeah. Yeah, teacher, in the book, one time add and one time minus
Oh,
to get
yes.
2. Okay.
Huh?
One
Yes.
time add and
Oh,
one
we need 2 foci, yes?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay.
I focus with
agree.
teacher. No, don't worry.
Okay. This is maybe this one is on the left. How do I know? Because my x is negative.
Is-
The right
Yes.
foci will be, how will the right foci be then? No,
4. 4 plus. It
I
will be
disagree with your argument.
how?
Yes. How do you know you need to add?
Teacher, go up 4 units, down 4 units.
On the
So
because oh yes, no, because remember you say this is vertical, sir.
yeah.
So the foci should be somewhere here and here, because this is the center.
No,
And
we take
and
it
you can
vertical on the x-axis. The bouquet. It will be rotated 90%.
look. Let's agree. Let's agree to disagree. Center, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't my foci over here?
Your bouquet, it will be on the vertical. It will
No,
be
that is my vertices. My vertices will be like
yeah,
this.
bouquet with vertices.
My foci will be with the vertices?
Yeah, look in the first page. Go to first page. That we have the qawanin. Look, it will be with bouquet. It will be with vertices.
No, it will be a little bit down from the vertices.
Yeah. Not yet.
Okay. So my x remains the same.
It will be on x-axis.
I agree. Yes. So now, so this one is up. Because this one is up, you will add. Okay, Rim? It is. Hello, Rim.
Yes.
My foci will be here and here.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So because I'm going up, I will add, and because I'm going down, I will minus. Okay, so this is up, and down will be what?
-2.
Yes.
Of 2 plus 4. It will be 6. Oh, teacher.
What, man?
I have one way. I have one way, another way.
Okay.
We go from the center up 4 units. So we know the center is -5 with 2. So 2 plus 4, it will be 6.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then go down.
Minus 4 minus -2 minus 4. It will be negative. No, wait.
It will be -2.
-2 minus -4. So it will be 2. How?
No. Your k will be 2. 2 plus 4 is 8. I mean, 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 minus 4 is -2.
Oh, 2.
So,
Oh, yeah.
-2 over here for the down one, and -5 and 6 over here for the up one. Okay? So, how many foci should you have?
2.
2. Your first foci is 5, 6. Your second foci, -5, 6. Your second foci is -5, -2. We are good?
Find the vertices.
Huh?
How we find the vertices?
we get there. Can we get there?
Yeah.
Let's get there. All right. Kanun for vertex is there. Where is it? H plus K plus A. Did you see that Kanun? I can't
Where?
erase
Let's
now.
erase this one.
I
Erase it, it's
can't.
okay.
Oh,
Which
Why?
one? Because I said
The
keep. You remember when the PowerPoint? Okay.
yes.
All right. So the vertex, there is Kanun. Okay. When it is vertical, your Kanun for vertex is H, K plus
H,
or
K
minus
plus or
A.
minus A.
So you need two vertices, sir.
Mhm.
yes.
Your H is how much? How much is H? -5. Yes?
Yeah.
How much is K?
Okay.
2. Yes?
How do you take it, H and K?
Here.
Yeah.
Remember your center gives you H and K.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, to get the upper vertex, you will add A. A is Hamza. Do you agree?
Yeah.
And to get the bottom one, you will do, where is my pen? You will do 2. Okay, you will do 2 minus 5. You agree?
Yeah.
All right, what is your top vertex?
7.
La, -5, 7.
Oh.
And what is your bottom vertex? -5,
So
-3.
what you do? What you do? Can you repeat?
Okay.
-5 what?
Manar,
Yeah.
what is my H?
H, we know it. Wait. -5.
I need 2 vertices. You agree?
Yeah.
I'm going to repeat -5 how many times?
2 times.
All right. To get this one, I will do K plus A. Come my K.
K is 2.
Come my A.
We don't, wait, we know. 5.
Very good. Here, I will do 2 minus 5. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So my first vertex will
-5
be,
times 2 plus 5?
no, I didn't, did you hear me say multiply? Did you hear me say multiply?
No.
Vertex is a point, Manar. Vertex is a what? I need
Point.
2 rakams in parentheses like this.
Okay, yeah.
The first rakam is -5. The second rakam is 7.
Yeah.
The second point, the second vertex, the bottom one, will be -5, -3. We
Oh,
agree?
yes.
This one here will be -5, 7. This one here will be -5, -3.
Yeah, yeah.
We agree up to here?
Yes.
Okay. We found our vertices, yes?
Yes.
Now, this is what? 7. And this is -3. What is the distance from here to here?
How much? 7 to
Yes, what's the
-3?
distance from 7 to -3?
10?
10. So the Su'al asked us what's the length of the major axis? That will be 10.
Or 2A?
Or 2A. Yes, there you go. Or 2 darb A. Very good. And how do I find 2B? Sir?
Yeah.
B is how much? 3. So
3.
2 darb 3, which is theta. Ah, very good. I even forgot about that Kanun. See?
Yeah, now we should find covertex.
No, I don't need. Who said to find covertex?
Coordinate the central bouquet, major and minor, axis and of ellipse.
Okay. And I did that. I've answered my
Now,
swal.
We found vertex, but we didn't vertices, but we didn't get the
We found the
coverage.
vertices, but we didn't need them. I didn't need them. I should have just gone to A and B and found my answer.
To graph.
Oh, yes, to graph that will
خلاص
come.
الجراف عادي.
Yes, graph, you found the vertices for the graph, the covertex will come by itself.
Yes.
But you can
Okay,
use it with us.
or you
The-
can use the Canun. The Canun for covertex is, where is it? The Canun for covertex, when you have vertical, it is H plus or minus B, comma K. Do we understand? So this will be -5 plus, how much was B? 3, yes?
3, yeah.
And -5 minus 3, and your K was how much? Ithnena. Sir?
Yeah, yeah.
So you have 2 points. Your other point will be -2, -2, sir? -2, -2. And this one will be -8, -2. And which are here. See? Look. We are genius. We are genius. See? Same.
Okay, I understand.
Okay?
Yes.
But the swal, the swal told us to graph. Well, yes, okay, then graph, yes. So yes, when we want to graph, you need to, yes. All right, masalama, my people.
Assalamu.
I have class in the next
السلامة.
4 or 5
Thank you,
minutes.
miss.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much.
Thank you. Bye.
Don't forget
Okay,
to save
bye.
the record.
Okay, I will not forget, yes. All right, bye-bye. Thank you for coming.